all, I hope you all have a good day so far, and yeah, this today it's gonna be a 50 question tag. This was requested by one of my subscribers, and 50 questions are a lot, so I hope it's gonna be okay with my broken English, and you all can understand it right. And yeah, so just let's get started with the first question. The first question was, where were you 3 hours ago? 3 hours ago I were at my mom's. Who are you in love with? Of course my husband, my kids, and my cat, I guess. And the third question, have you ever eaten a crayon? Not that I can remember, so no. Is there anything pink within 10 feet of you? Yeah, actually it is. This brush I got from Samantha Sherman from her vlog sale, so she sent it to me. Nice brush, by the way, so thank you, Samantha, in case you see this. And when is the last time you went to the mall? That was last week, and that twice because that lady at the checkout forgot to put that anti-thief security tag away, so that thing which is every time on the clothes, so you can steal it. And yeah, that's why I have to go twice in there, because when you took it away on your own, it's gonna be color all over the clothes. So last week the answer. Are you wearing socks right now? Well, it is 30 degrees outside, so no, I'm not wearing socks. Does your family have a car worth over $2,000? So I don't know how much is it in euros, $2,000, but yes. When was the last time you drove out of town? That was actually today. As I said, I were at my mom's and grocery shopping, and that is 45 minutes away from where I live, so today. Have you been to the movies in the last 5 days? No, I wasn't. The last movie I saw was, which movie was it? I can't remember. So which movie did I watch? So I don't know, but it's a long time ago. The next question, are you hot? I think that question should answer my hubby or my husband. What was the last thing you had to drink? I drank the last tea. Just normal tea, so nothing special. What are you wearing right now? I'm wearing my home dress, just a t-shirt and sweatpants, or however this is called in English, I don't know. So something comfortable. Something comfortable? I don't know. Do you wash your car or let the car wash do it? Either, because my husband washes the car, and we have kind of shared work, so he washes the car and I clean the car inside and clean the windows, so that's kind of a shared work. Last food that you ate? That was spaghetti bolognese. Where were you last week at this time? Today is Thursday. Last Thursday we went to a fun park with our kids, so there was a lot playground and a lot a fun and play park, so the kids had so much fun and played with water and all that things. So that was last week at this time. When is the last time? No. Have you bought any clothing items in the last week? Yes, as I said, at that store where they forgot that thing with the anti-theft security tag, but that was the clothes for my kids. So for myself I haven't bought any clothes last time, so it's a long time ago since I did it for myself. When is the last time you run? Oh God, that's a good question. So I guess run in sports, I did it this last time at my school, and that is a long time ago. But last year, if that counts, I don't know, last year my mom and I, we were late to the bus, so we had to hurry, and we ran to the bus to catch the bus. So if that counts, so I don't know. What's the last sporting event you watched? That was the Football World Cup last year in Africa. Or yeah, I don't often look sports or watch sports, so just when European Cup or World Cup in soccer or football, I don't know, that I watch, but I'm not a sports guy, as you can see. What is your favorite animal? I have 3. That is my cat, that is dogs, and that is spiders. I have 5 spiders, tarantulas. So if you say that, so if you are friends with me in Facebook, you can see the pictures there. So spiders too. I know, creepy hobby, but I like them to watch, and they are really nice animals. Your dream vacation? That is at the beach, alone with my family, and yeah, ocean, and just relax, and that would be my dream vacation. Last person's house you were in? Well, that was the house from my mom. As I said, I was actually the last 2 days with her, so I stayed in her apartment or in her house, so it was the last at my mom's. Worst injury you've ever had? Oh, I don't think I have that big injury. Oh yes, as I was a kid, I was maybe six. I had a hole in my head, but I can just tell that because my mom tells me, but I don't know that anymore. So I threw a big stone in the air, and I want to catch it, and that stone falls on my head, and I had a big hole in my head. So that was the worst thing I ever had. So I'm healthy. I'm big but healthy. have you been in love? Yes, of course. I'm married 13 years, and of course I've been in love. I'm still in love, and yeah. Do you miss anyone right now? No, at the moment I don't, so I'm good. Last play you saw. Well, that was the final from the World Cup. From the Soccer World Cup or Football World Cup, so that was the last play. What is your secret weapon to lure in the opposite sex? Oh god, so I don't know. I'm married 13 years, so I would never give any suggestions to do something like that, because I have my husband. But before I was married and I was a single at my teenager years, I don't have the smallest boobies, so I wore often t-shirts like that with a big this here, I don't know how to call it in English. I know the word, but that doesn't come in my mind right now. Yeah, I don't know, flirt. So I don't know. I'm out of this. What are your plans for tonight? Tonight I'm doing nothing. Just watch my soaps, and it's kind of a lazy evening, so nothing special tonight. Who is the last person you sent a MySpace message or comment? Well, I don't have MySpace, I just have Facebook, and the last comment I wrote is from Le Fleuve TV, so I sent there a comment on a status they did. Next trip you are going to take. Next trip, we plan a trip to Switzerland. I don't know, either next weekend or the weekend after. So I don't know, but the next trip is Switzerland. It's not far away from where I live. It's maybe 2.5 hours from here, so it's not that far away. So ever go to camp? Yes, I was in a camp once when I went to school. I think I was in a club or something, and there were then a camp, and I was there 2 weeks, and that 2 weeks was my worst experience I ever had, because our tent had a beehive. I don't know if that's right, and that was the horrible time ever, because in that 2 weeks I had every day at least 2 bees. They bite me. So when I don't know how to call it in English, but I think you know what I mean. So please help me out and leave me a comment how it's called. I'm dying here. So at least 2 bee razor, I don't know, beat. So when a bee beat me, I don't know, I'm sorry. But okay, that was my experience from a camp, and yeah, horrible time. I would never repeat it. And oh yes, I went to camp another time, but that was with my family. I had a tent on my own, but it wasn't built right, so at night it rained, and as I woke up, the whole tent was basically lying on me. So it was the second time I had a bad time at camp, so, and definitely the last time, so we'll never try it. Were you an honor roll student in school? No, I wasn't. What do you want to know about the future? I don't think I wanna know things from my future. I mean that's why you wake up every day, because you are excited what the day brings you and what happened, and yeah, I don't think I wanna know things about my future. So yeah, maybe how many grandchilds I will have. So, but I will see that in hopefully many years. So, but no. Are you wearing any perfume or cologne? Yes, I'm wearing perfume. I have different ones, so, but most of the time I have cheaper ones. The most expensive perfume I had is from Christian Dior, Poison, and I love this perfume, but it's so expensive, so I have to save a lot of money, or I take it on my wish list on Christmas or birthday. So are you due sometime this year for a doctor's visit? Yes, I was at a doctor's appointment this year to just check me out, and I don't know, I think I had tell you guys that in a one of my I think it was the tutorial why I haven't done a diet vlog lately, and as the doctor said, everything is okay besides my weight. I'm a really healthy girl, so I'm glad with that. And next question. Where is your best friend? My best friend lives not nearby me. She lives many 100 kilometers away from myself, so, but still my best friend. We know us, or we know each other since I was 14, and now I'm 32, and we know us almost 20 years, so it's a long time. How is your best friend? Well, she is as a best friend can be. You can count on her and can tell her everything, tell her your problems. She's there for you, and I'm there for her. And yeah. Do you have a tan? If that means if I'm a brown, or my skin is brown, so no, I'm really white. That's because I never go to swim or sunbathing or something, so no, I don't have a tan. What are you listening to right now? Well, everything what's in the charts. David Guetta, Rihanna, Lady Gaga, all that things. Sometimes I have to hear Big Time Rush because my son is a Big Time Rush fan, so I hear everything. So it's not a special kind of music I'm hearing. Do you collect anything? Well, I think I'm collecting makeup, but that's the only thing I'm collecting. Who is the biggest gossiper you know? I don't know. I don't think I know a gossiper. I don't know that. Last time you got stopped by a cop or pulled over? That was 2 years ago. No, I'm lying. I'm sorry. It was 2 months ago, because I was parking on the wrong space, and there came that nice police officer and asked me nice and if I can leave the place or the area, because I'm not allowed to park here, but I had to wait to my husband, and I thought, okay, it's a nice police officer, and then I talked to him a little bit, and he was really nice and answered, and as I was finished, my husband came, and yeah, it was a little bit funny, so because otherwise I had to drive another big round around the block, and that was too much time, so just saved some time until my husband comes back, so it was fun. Have you ever drank your soda from a straw? Yes, I did. What does your last text message say? My last text message says okay, because I asked someone something, and no, what does the last... Oh, what I wrote. Oh, okay. I wrote, will you be home at 10? That's my last message. Do you like hot sauce? No. I don't... I mean, does that mean if I like spicy sauce? So, but if that is it, no, I don't like spicy things. It changes totally your sense to food, and I don't like it. No. Last time you took a shower, that was maybe 6 hours ago. So everyday routine, more in the morning, in the summer in the evening too. So in the summer twice a day. And do you need to do laundry? Yes. I have 3 kids and a husband, and they're making a lot of laundry, so yes, I have to do laundry, and that every day, at least 3 wash machines full with laundry, so I never get out of laundry. So what is your heritage? I googled it. It means, I know what it means, but I can't spell it out, so well, I will write it. But I'm German, my mother's German, my daddy is German, so I'm German. And are you someone's best friend? Yes, I hope so. And are you rich? No, not really. And what were you doing at 12 AM last night? At 12 AM last night I was playing rummy with my mom and her fiancé. So it was the last night was really long, and I had to get up early in the morning, and I'm kind of tired, but yeah. So that was the 50 questions. Wow. And I think I did it really good, so for my opinion. Yeah, and I think I tag you all who see this video, and I would love if you let me some comments below, or give me some video answers. I would love to hear your 50 answers. Yeah, I don't know what to say now, and just thank you so much for watching, and yeah, have a good day so far, and see you soon. Bye.